And the ailing company succeeding in obtaining the necessary cash, was able to get out from under his financial burdens. To take the bull by the horns. To take the bull by the horns means to handle a difficult situation with determination. This idiom is usually used when someone has been postponing an action for some time and finally wants to or needs to resolve it. The sentences in examples are: after 3 years of faithful service, Jake decided to take the bull by the horns and ask his boss for a raise. And Vic has been engaged to Laura for a long time now, and I know that he loves her. He should take the bull by the horns and ask her to marry him. To give someone a hand. To give someone a hand means to assist, to aid, to help, also to lend someone a hand. Would you give me a hand lifting this heavy box? And when Derry's car broke down at night on the highway, no one would stop to lend her a hand. Next, to give someone a big hand. To give someone a big hand